Number 4, liability class. Liability classes. So here, to show the nature of liability of all the shareholders. All the shareholders. So here we want to mention clearly there are two types of shareholders are normally invested the money in the company, company initiations. One type of shareholder we call as equity shareholder. Another type of shareholder we call as preference shareholder. Equity shareholders always permanent persons, and the preference shareholders is a temporary persons, temporary investors. So equity shareholders are always permanent. They are all called as promoter of the company. They are called as promoter of the company, or otherwise anybody buying this share in the name of equity, they are called as equity shareholder. So they are also treated as a promoter of the company. But preference shareholder is a temporary person. They will buy the share and hold the share up to until the redemption of the share. They will be acted as a shareholder of the company. But same time, what is the nature? What is nature of liabilities? So in this class, clearly mention the what type of liability is going to accept, going to take. Everything will be clearly mentioned. Either is a limited liability or unlimited liabilities. Clearly mentioned in the class of liabilities. This is another important class of the board. It is preferred by promoters. And next one, capital class. Capital class is another content, another most important content prepared by promoter during the preparation of memorandum of association document. Here they mention the authorized capital. What is the level of, what is the amount of capital authorized by SEBI. So that amount will be mentioned. And next one, the next thing, issued capital. Out of authorized, how much is going to issue in current year and next year? Everything will be mentioned. And third one, subscribe capital also mentioned. So three important things should be mentioned in the capital class. First one, authorized capital. Second one, issued capital. Third one, subscribed capital details. And also mention who are buying the shares of the company. So everything should be clearly mentioned in the capital class. That is very, very important class powered by the promoter at the time of preparation of the memorandum of association. This is the fifth one. Next one, number 6, association. Number 6, association class. Association or subscription class. Here mentioning the details of shareholders. So how many shareholders who are always buying our shares? And in this class, initially, especially initial period, for buying the shares, what is the name of the person to buy our shares, and address, phone number, all other related information is mentioned in the association class. Especially whose name is mentioned here in only the promoters. because before the registration, only the promoters are buying the share. No others are purchasing the shares. So only the promoters' details is included in the association class. And up to this sixth class prepared by promoters and submitted this document to the registrar or office company. The registrar is verified all the details. If all the details are okay, then the company will be registered. If there is no other needs, other documents are required. But in addition to the promoters are submitted some other document also. It will be discussed next classes or next presentation. Any doubts on this? The preparation of memorandum of association document. The document is consisted of the 6th class. Class number 1 is main class. Second one is registered office class. The third one is object class. Fourth one is liabilities class. Fifth one is capital class. And finally association or subscription class. So these are all details are required by outside the people. That's why this document is creating a relationship or showing the relationship between company and the outside world. So these are the details are must be accompanying with the at the time of preparing the memorandum of association.